For centuries, apple cider vinegar has held a place of honor in kitchens and medicine cabinets alike. This golden liquid, made from fermented apple juice, has been a trusted companion in households around the world. Its uses have evolved over time, but its significance remains undiminished. From ancient civilizations to modern households, this humble pantry staple has been recognized for its potential health benefits and versatile uses. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all documented their use of apple cider vinegar for various purposes, from preserving food to treating ailments. Today, it continues to be a beloved ingredient in kitchens and a go-to remedy for many. While often used to add a tangy kick to salads and marinades, apple cider vinegar's potential extends far beyond the culinary realm. Chefs and home cooks alike appreciate its ability to enhance flavors, tenderize meats, and even act as a natural preservative. But its benefits don't stop at the dinner table. This fermented liquid might hold the key to a healthier life. Studies have indicated that apple cider vinegar may help with weight management, blood sugar control, and even heart health. Scientists are delving deeper into understanding how the acetic acid and other compounds in apple cider vinegar contribute to these potential health benefits. Let's delve deeper into the world of apple cider vinegar and explore the science-backed benefits and practical applications that have captivated health enthusiasts for generations. From its role in traditional medicine to its place in modern wellness routines, apple cider vinegar continues to be a versatile and valuable addition to our lives. Whether you're looking to improve your health, enhance your cooking, or discover natural remedies, apple cider vinegar offers a wealth of possibilities waiting to be explored. Apple cider vinegar is made through a two-step fermentation process. First, crushed apples are exposed to yeast, which converts their sugars into alcohol. Next, bacteria are introduced to the mix, transforming the alcohol into acetic acid. This acid gives apple cider vinegar its characteristic sour taste and pungent aroma. But what sets apple cider vinegar apart from its distilled counterpart is the mother. This cloudy, cobweb-like substance found in unfiltered raw apple cider vinegar is a rich source of beneficial bacteria, enzymes, and proteins that are believed to contribute to its health-promoting properties. One of the most promising areas of research on apple cider vinegar revolves around its potential to regulate blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that consuming apple cider vinegar may improve insulin sensitivity, particularly after meals. This means that your body can utilize glucose from food more effectively, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar. These findings offer hope for individuals struggling with insulin resistance, prediabetes, or type 2 diabetes. The internet is awash with claims about apple cider vinegar's miraculous weight loss properties. While it's not a magic bullet, some studies suggest that incorporating apple cider vinegar into a balanced diet and exercise regimen might play a modest role in weight management. Apple cider vinegar is believed to promote feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Additionally, its potential to stabilize blood sugar levels could further contribute to weight control by curbing cravings and preventing overeating. Apple cider vinegar for a healthy heart. Exploring the connection. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, making it crucial to explore natural ways to support cardiovascular health. Apple cider vinegar might offer some protective benefits. Studies in animals have shown that apple cider vinegar can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. While human studies are limited, these findings offer a promising starting point for further investigation into the heart-healthy potential of apple cider vinegar. Boosting skin health. Can apple cider vinegar help? Apple cider vinegar has long been touted as a natural remedy for various skin conditions, and for good reason. This humble kitchen staple is packed with acetic acid, vitamins, and minerals that can benefit your skin in numerous ways. Its acidic nature makes it an effective antibacterial and antifungal agent, potentially helping to combat acne, eczema, and other skin irritations. Many people have reported significant improvements in their skin's texture and clarity after incorporating apple cider vinegar into their skincare routine. Diluted apple cider vinegar can be applied topically as a toner to help balance the skin's pH levels, reduce inflammation, and minimize the appearance of pores. This can be particularly beneficial for those with oily or acne-prone skin, as it helps to control excess oil production and prevent breakouts. However, it's important to perform a patch test before applying it to larger areas of skin, as its acidity can cause irritation in some individuals. To do this, simply apply a small amount of diluted apple cider vinegar to a discrete area of your skin, and wait 24 hours to see if any redness or irritation occurs. If your skin reacts well, you can gradually incorporate it into your routine. To create a toner, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water. You can adjust the ratio depending on your skin's sensitivity. Use a cotton pad to gently apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. Allow it to dry naturally before applying your usual moisturizer. With consistent use, many people find that their skin becomes clearer, smoother, and more radiant. Apple cider vinegar can be a powerful addition to your skincare arsenal, but always remember to use it with caution and listen to your skin's needs. While apple cider vinegar can offer numerous benefits for your skin, it's essential to use it correctly and safely. Always dilute it, perform a patch test, and pay attention to how your skin responds. With the right approach, you can harness the power of this natural remedy to boost your skin health. Apple cider vinegar in your pantry. Practical uses beyond health. Beyond its potential health benefits, apple cider vinegar earns its place in your pantry with its impressive versatility. Its tangy flavor makes it a fantastic addition to salad dressings, marinades, and sauces, adding a burst of flavor to your favorite dishes. Apple cider vinegar can also be used as a natural cleaning agent, effectively cutting through grease, removing odors, and disinfecting surfaces. From polishing silverware to deodorizing your laundry, this pantry staple proves to be a true multitasker. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine. Simple tips and tricks. Adding apple cider vinegar to your daily routine is easier than you might think. Start your day by mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. You can also drizzle it over salads, add it to smoothies, or use it as a base for homemade salad dressings. When consuming apple cider vinegar, remember that moderation is key. Its acidic nature can erode tooth enamel over time, so it's best to dilute it with water and avoid drinking it straight. A word of caution: potential side effects and considerations. While generally safe for consumption, apple cider vinegar is not without its potential side effects. Its high acidity can cause digestive discomfort, heartburn, or nausea, especially when consumed in excess or on an empty stomach. Additionally, apple cider vinegar can interact with certain medications, such as diuretics and insulin. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions, it's crucial to consult your healthcare provider before incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet. Remember, information is power. Consult your healthcare provider. The information presented here is intended for educational purposes only and should not be construed as medical advice. While apple cider vinegar shows promise as a potential health-promoting agent, it's essential to remember that individual needs and responses may vary. Before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider to determine what's best for you. The journey continues. Unlock the full potential of apple cider vinegar. So far, we have delved deeper into the myriad ways apple cider vinegar can transform your life. From ancient remedies to modern-day applications, this humble liquid has stood the test of time. The world of apple cider vinegar is vast and full of possibilities. Whether you are a seasoned user or a curious newcomer, there is always something new to learn and explore. Its versatility makes it a staple in many households around the globe. As research continues to unveil its potential benefits, we can expect to see even more applications for this versatile liquid emerge. Scientists are constantly discovering new ways in which apple cider vinegar can contribute to our health and well-being. From its antimicrobial properties to its role in gut health, the scientific community is just beginning to scratch the surface. From promoting blood sugar control to supporting weight management and enhancing skin health, apple cider vinegar offers a range of benefits that can fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing tonic that not only boosts your metabolism, but also helps maintain your skin's natural glow. Apple cider vinegar offers a natural and accessible way to enhance our overall well-being. It can be easily incorporated into meals, drinks, and even beauty routines. Families can enjoy the benefits together, making it a shared journey towards better health. Remember to approach its use with caution. While apple cider vinegar is generally safe, it is important to use it correctly to avoid any potential side effects. Dilution is key, and it should never be consumed undiluted. Consult your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. They can help you determine the right dosage and usage for your specific needs. This is especially important for individuals with underlying health conditions or those taking medications. Embark on a journey of discovery to unlock the full potential of apple cider vinegar. Keep a journal to track your experiences and note any changes in your health and well-being. Share your findings with others and learn from their experiences as well. Together, we can uncover the many ways this remarkable liquid can enhance our lives. Share with us in the comments section below how you use apple cider vinegar. We'd love to hear from you.